Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Python module which actually find out the cryptocurrencies, and it actually converts from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrencies. You can actually build out a nice little converter inside the terminal. And the nice thing about this module is that it doesn't use any sort of paid API. You can use this completely free for unlimited number of times. So if I execute the script here, you will see it will exactly tell me the value of 100 Bitcoin. What is the value of 100 Bitcoin in Ethereum? Let me change this value from 100 to 1. So now it will exactly tell me the value of 1 Bitcoin inside Ethereum. So 1 Bitcoin is equal to 39.78 thousand Ethereum. So we can even cross check this value. If I just write here 1 BTC to ETH, so you can see it is scraping this live value from google.com 39.77. So it's a great module. You can see that you can build out any sort of cryptocurrencies converter kind of application. So first of all, you just need to install this module, which is called as crypto compare. This is actually the name of the module. So the command is simple. You simply install this module. I have already installed it. It is actually getting this data from this website. It is actually using web scraping, the technique of web scraping, from scraping the data from live website. So it is going to this website and doing all this stuff in the background. So first of all, install this, and then after installing it, you simply import this module, import crypto compare, and then you specify which currency you want to get the data. We call this module crypto compare. It contains this method here, get price, and you basically call this, and here you specify which currency you want to convert. So I want to convert from Bitcoin to, and then you specify the currency to which you want to convert. So I want to convert the Bitcoin to Ethereum, and then you specify how much value. So you can specify the amount here. So I will say 1, and then actually it will tell you the value here. So you simply execute this function BTC, displays this value. So like this, you multiply this by the amount here. So BTC amount, and then it actually gives you the value here. So BTC amount. So that's all. So this, if I execute once again, you will see 1 BTC is equal to, so it is saying BTC amount is not defined. So just make sure that you put this amount. So it exactly tells you 1 BTC is equal to 39.78 Ethereum. You can even change this from Ethereum to BTC. So any combination you can try this. You can see 1 Ethereum value is equal to how much BTC. So once again, if I execute this, so here you just need to change this from Ethereum to BTC. So 1 Ethereum is equal to 0.02.7. You can see, you can cross verify this as well. So just type here 1 Ethereum to BTC. So you can see 0.025. So it is actually correct. So in using this module, guys, you can build out a cryptocurrency converter kind of an application. So just install this module and all your data will be present right in your terminal. So you can explore some more methods as well. If you want to get all the historical price as well, day by day data, minute by minute data. So all these methods are there. You can try this module. So get coin list, it will return all the coins. So it has a series of methods. You can try this. So I just showed you a very basic methods. You can see it will return all the Bitcoin, coins, all the coins which are there in the cryptocurrency market. So you can see. So using this module, you can build out a complete cryptocurrency converter kind of a website. So there is no restriction out there. No need to put any sort of API key. You can get all this data for completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.